So today's vlog, we are going to do a meeting with friends and stuff. So I have a friend in Melbourne that we haven't met since college, which is around 8 years or so. We're gonna meet together and have pizza and maybe some cocktails after. So see you there.
So we've got a dehydrated pineapple as well as some pineapple chai tea on top. So we're just going to gently roast this one. And by roasting, we're just releasing some of the aromatics that are inside the wood. So you should get some nice sort of like sweet, grassy aromatics right.
Alright, hi guys, so this is Joanna and we are at the beach. She took us through the train and some really dark alley, which is kind of scary at night probably. But we were there at sunset time, so it should be good. And this is a drink, David and I tried, I think. Bittersweet drink. How about your drink?
I don't know what it's called. It's sweet and yummy, so it would do.
That's it for now. We'll see where we go next.
It'll burn itself out within about 30 seconds to a minute. If not, just give it a quick blow and then just pour it over.
So we are at our second bar in Melbourne. It's called Mjolnir. Mjolnir, yeah. Which we have to ask the bartender twice to remember the name somehow. Okay, so this is my drink. It's called Recharging and Odin Pork. It's kind of like passion fruit cocktail. It's sweet and it's good. But this drink is it smells really good. It's bitter but it's smooth. Yeah, bitter and smooth. Alright, so it's almost 11 now and we are heading to our third bar for today.
On a Sunday. Oh my god. How am I going to work tomorrow?
Our third bar, the driver lane. And I ordered whiskey for this bar.